Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the NET SDK and VS Code are installed. This is mandatory. Once done, install the C# extension so you get language services and debugging. Now, open a terminal in your project folder and run .NET New Console to scaffold a program. This produces program. CS and a csproj. Make sure to run .NET Restore if packages are referenced. These first actions quickly create a runnable app and wire VS Code to the NET toolchain. Next, you build and configure debugging so you can iterate quickly. Run .NET Build to compile and fix any compiler errors reported. This explains why code won't run. Then press F5 to start debugging. If VS Code prompts, create a C# launch. JSON to define the NET launch configuration. Set breakpoints in program. CS, inspect variables in the debug pane, and step through with F10 and F11. This lets you see runtime values and why logic behaves the way it does. Finally, use .NET Run for iterative development. It builds and executes in one command, so you iterate faster. When packaging or CI is needed, .NET Publish produces deployable output. If something breaks, repro, run .NET Clean then .NET Build to remove stale outputs. This often fixes weird errors. If .NET commands aren't found, verify path and the installed SDK version. One tip: disable conflicting extensions if IntelliSense or debugging behaves incorrectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.